Taking steps to protect individuals from airborne virus transmission demonstrates not only that you care about safety, but also about respecting your participants. AmpliVox Acrylic Safety Shields for lecterns, check-in podiums, and meetings and conferences not only help protect individuals, they're very easy to install. It just takes a few simple steps. First, we'll look at how to install the 3 different models of safety shields for lecterns and podiums. These shields come with 1 or 2 mounting rails. First, determine placement of the mounting rail, either at the center of the lectern table, or for a wider lectern, with 1 rail at each side of the lectern table. Next, pick up the mounting rail, peel the adhesive strip off, and put the mounting rail in place onto the lectern, making certain to press it down securely. After the mounting rail or rails are set in place, then set the safety shield loosely into position. Finally, tighten both set screws on each mounting rail with a hex wrench. Safety Shield S0006 is designed for use in meeting, conference, and hospitality settings. This shield can be placed at appropriate intervals on conference tables so that each individual has protection from others sitting adjacent. The shield comes with 2 clamps. To install, first put the larger clamp on the bottom of the shield next to its long side and firmly tighten the set screw with a hex wrench. Next, install the smaller clamp in the same manner. Then set the safety shield on the surface in this manner. And finally, securely tighten this clamp. A final safety shield, model S0005, needs no mounting. Simply set it on the table and open it up. As an option, any AmpliVox safety shield can also include your logo. Extend your voice and protect your participants with AmpliVox.